안녕하세요, it's Jia. Today we're going to do a cooking class but in a different format. Today I have my friend here, Iman. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you for coming. Today the concept is we're going to make one salad dressing and one facial pad, right?
Yes.
And the main ingredient is wild sesame seeds. The first dish is a salad dressing that you can often eat in a Korean restaurant or even at homes.
Oh, wow.
Same ingredient. A few things is of course different, but there's a concept in Korea traditionally that something that is good for your body is good for your skin as well.
Really nice. Wow.
And Iman actually tried this a little bit, and how was it?
It was so soft. Like my skin feels like a baby's bottom. I can't wait to finally apply it on my face.
And most of all, it's not so difficult to make, is it?
No, it's very simple and no preservatives, so it's like vegan skincare. It's amazing.
Okay, we're gonna start from making a salad dressing. Today I'm not cutting or blanching anything. It's already, the salad bowl is prepared here. And today we have carrot. Kohlrabi is a type of radish. In Korea, especially in winter time, we eat lots of different the root vegetables. And also we have cucumbers. It doesn't have to be these ingredients. Anything that you have in your refrigerator, you can use that. And for dressing, we have here, of course, the powder. Can you help me mixing?
Oh, for sure.
So we're gonna first add a little bit of, this is plain yogurt. So plain yogurt and a little bit of mayonnaise, same amount of mayonnaise. And we need for sour a little bit of rice vinegar and a little bit of soy sauce. And here I have 2.5 tablespoons of wild sesame seeds powder. You can find this in online store or in Asian grocery market. And then give it a stir. Good. And I brought a little bit of sesame oil. For nutty flavor, it's up to you. So the consistency is creamy and very nutritious.
And very easy to make.
Iman, are you willing to try a little bit?
Oh, for sure.
Okay. So in Korea, we have kimchi, many dishes based in vegetables. But when we don't have kimchi or when we want fresh vegetables, actually myself, I often make this salad dressing. And tell me if you like it.
So good.
It's really? So I'm glad you like it. Now let's make a facial pad.
I know, I'm excited.
We already have 1 teaspoon of honey. And then let's add again the plain yogurt to it. And then give it a stir. And then we want to add the powder, wild sesame powder to it. The winter in Korea is very cold and dry, right? So you need some sort of moisturizer.
Yes.
At the same time, how do you say that? Exfoliate?
Yes, an exfoliant because you have a lot of dry skin and then you're also trying to retain the moisture.
Right.
So to hear that this mask not only provides you with moisture but like smoothness to your skin is very nice.
Right. And it's most of all, it's easy to make, isn't it?
Yeah, that was 3 ingredients.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So today Iman is going to apply a little bit on her hand. Just leave for about between 5 to 10 minutes.
Now, do you recommend like a thin layer or how do you apply it on your face?
This amount you can cover your face. You can do it pretty thick. So how it feels like?
It's very cooling. You can feel like the granules from the powder, but it's not like abrasive. I don't feel like it's scratching my skin.
So it has a texture, right?
Yes, a texture to it. And you can see that's where the exfoliation comes in.
Right, right. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna wait for 5 minutes and then tell you
how
what
this
happened. Okay, it has been about 8 minutes, right?
Yeah.
So
And
how do you feel like?
I'm really surprised because usually with clay masks, they tend to dry and start cracking. But as you can see, it's like still very wet. So you've recommended that this is how it should be removed while it's still
It's
wet.
because you have honey in there. So yeah, although you stay for 30 minutes, it's not gonna get dry. Room temperature or warm water.
And I can see how it would have an exfoliating texture because just by rubbing it.
So it cleanses your skin, but it doesn't dry out.
Okay, the moment of truth. Oh my goodness. It is so soft.
Can I?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like a baby skin.
Now imagine that on your face and even like on your neck if you're having like a spa day. It would be so nice.
Yeah, it's an expensive edible ingredient.
Yeah.
But the great thing is that you can use for your food at the same time.
As well as your body.
Cosmetic, but for your body and
Yeah.
face.
You don't have to worry about preservatives or any of those things,
No.
chemicals. It's so soft.
Yes, you can get this Perilla or one sesame seed powder in online store. And yeah, I hope you try my recipe. So did you enjoy the salad dressing?
I did.
And the facial pack?
It was so delicious, and to see how universal it is. Like you can use it on your food, you can use it on your skin, and it's something that Korean women have been using. It's just amazing. So thank you so much for inviting me.
Thank you, Iman. I hope you enjoyed my recipe as well. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to her channel. No, and it's very cooling too. I know in the winter it's cold, but I feel like also if you're hot, this has a nice cooling sensation. But I find they work better in the winter because it's cold. Whereas in the summer, my skin, the pores get clogged. So too much of the packs can actually break me out. Yeah. Because I have very oily skin. So oily. So this is really easy to make.